Good day and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to quickly install fonts on the Windows 10 operating system. For those of us who don't know how to install fonts, this video is for you. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is to ensure that you have your fonts already downloaded to your computer. As for me, as you can see, I got a lot of fonts here in this folder. So to install them, what I am going to do is I'm going to come here on the taskbar where it says type here to search. I'm going to click it. I'm going to type control panel. Right, it should show me control panel here. I'm going to click on control panel folder. Inside the control panel, I'm going to click on fonts, and this is going to open up. Right, so I'm going to go back over into my folder where the fonts are that I want to be installed. I'm going to use the keyboard shortcuts Control+A to select all, right? And all the fonts in this folder should be selected. Then I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut again to copy Control+C. I'm going to come back over into the folder inside the control panel. I'm going to find some empty space. I'm going to scroll down to find some empty space. I'm going to right click and I'm going to click paste. And when I click paste, I'm going to get this dialog box. It's going to tell me that a font is already installed. Do you want to replace it? If you want the font to be replaced or reinstalled, you select yes. If not, select no. And you can select this. You can tick this box. Do this for all items, basically for all current items. So I'm going to tick this box, and for those that I do not want to be reinstalled, I'm going to select no. But if you want to reinstall them, you can select yes, but I'm going to select no. And it's still going to install some fonts, and it's finished, and then you should be able to use those fonts that you installed. That's pretty much it. Thank you for stopping by. I hope that it really helped you to install some fonts. Have a wonderful day. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.